Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to change your Papa John's account password. Open the website papajohns.com, then click Login. Now, log in with your email address and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a drop-down arrow at the top right side of the screen. Click on the drop-down arrow. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for Profile. Click on Profile. At the left side menu of this page, you will see a tab that says Change Password. Click on Change Password. Now, enter your current password on the first field. Then on the second and third field, enter the new password you wish to use. After entering, click on the Change Password button. That's how you change your Papa John's account password. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.